tire machine. Somebody asked me why I didn't balance the tires that I put on something or other recently. I forget. What was I working on? Anyways, I do balance the tires. I just don't show you everything. Yep. Got my $80 aluminum and steel tire balancer from Harbor Freight. And would you believe this tire is perfectly balanced without any weight, just a little bit of grass and some grease to seal the bead. I've never seen one right in the center like that. Right in the friggin' center. These are 20-year-old tires that a neighbor had in the garage. And I'm fixing his vacuum van, a Transport SE with a Struggle 6. 3.1 probably. Yeah, 3.1, the former 2.8 that came out in the late 79 in the 1980 Chevy Citation. And also in the Blazer, S10 Blazer, four-wheel drives. Struggle 6, good for a small Citation or a Olds Omega, or maybe a Transport, but in a four-wheel drive Blazer, that's why they put the 4.3, which is basically a 350 or a 305 missing 2 cylinders. Anyhow, this thing is freaking junk. The rotors are thin. Rockers. Good place for the mice. Door handles are broken. Typical. Yep. They all break. Oh, that one works. I just greased it. Some people don't keep their vehicles too clean. Yep. I just fluid filmed everything. Put grease in all the tracks. So now, it actually closes. Transport from Palm something. Yeah, some people don't keep their vehicles clean at all. It's a toothbrush in the nooks and crannies. Yep, black. Yuck. Check this out. It's got 2 glove boxes. One there. Oop, Mega Millions. Every ticket's a loser. And one here. Oh yeah, the good stuff. Broken. Dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. It just amazes me how some people keep their vehicles. Dirty, 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 dirty. 157,000 miles, 70,000 kilometers. I fluid filmed it. But the roller doesn't work anymore. Too worn out. Junk. Rusted. Yep. Oh well. I'll just do repairs I'm supposed to do. I put a battery in it. I had to heat up the bolt from underneath that holds the battery in place because it was rusted right there. Right there. Battery was 11 years old. They've been boosting it for a couple of years, I think. And the Hyundai, I broke the dipstick. Plastic. Missing a quart of oil. And look at this. There's milk in the oil. Too many short trips. Moisture doesn't burn off. So I'll have to throw a quart of oil in the Hyundai. You know where that battery came from? The white junk edition Suburban. When I bought it, it had 2 brand new batteries. I took it and put it one in the Hyundai and one somewhere else. Funny, huh? Batteries last 5, 6, 7 years. Brings back memories. Rusted. And this thing, I told the guy to go buy another one in South Carolina or North Carolina or somewhere. Brand new tires in the back. It's too rusty. Not even worth fixing. Told him not to bother. Go get another one. It's got 218,000 miles, which is 375,000 kilometers. Told him just junk it. Take the parts off it and junk it. Got 5 bolt wheels in the front. And Brieka asked me the span of the bolt circle center, but it's hard to measure when you got a center cap in the way. But I'm pretty sure these are the same as a Chevy two-wheel drive pickup truck. Extra wide rims, and I don't think he'll be needing them on the new truck, just the tires, but they're already mounted on rims, so he's not a mag wheel guy. It's over 60, so he couldn't really care less. And they're kind of rusty. So I don't know if he'll be getting them. Big trailer hitch hanging down. Look at that. Rusted. Fiberglass leaf spring held on with an aluminum bracket. Interesting. Big trailer hitch. Alright, I gotta put 2 tires on this thing in the front and then 2 more in the back. These Michelins are rotted. How old are they? They have a date code. The date code says 1973. Where's the date code? Can't find the date code. 37th week of 2009 or 1999. I bet you these are 1999s. They're old. These are old, cracked, typical Michelin cracks. This guy doesn't go very far. He's also over 60, probably over 70. Probably in his early 70s. Alrighty. I'm going to put these snow tires on. That are like just new. No cracks. They're also old. Said they were in this garage for 20 years. They came off of a kit Trans Am. I showed you the wheels earlier. Right there. And I got to get back to work, and I can't using the camera with my one hand. So back to work, and I got to get that temperature switch in for the Suburbans, so the fast idle and the advance goes off. So put this thing to sleep. So I get that part in from Amazon. I left this light on the whole time. Quick. Yep, this is the wrong temperature switch. The one I needed is $18 on Amazon for a Delco switch, or $42 after discount from the Chevy dealer. Can you believe it? $42 from the Chevy dealer after a 20% discount, or $17.92 on Amazon for the exact same GM Delco switch. So I'm going to take this tire, put it on, do the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Takes time to change tires. Alright, I got work to do. Let's go on. Rusted. Junk. This is shit. Time for the torches. Rusted. Junk. Rust. Yep. It's on there good. It's on there good. BFH. Junk. Time for the torches.